They may not look like it, but these two cars represent one version of the new technology subway cars of the future. On Wednesday, transit execs and rider advocates inspected mock-up versions of the cars, which are being designed to replace 740 aging cars currently rumbling on the IRT.
We have to replace the older cars that we have that are over 35 years of age. They've outlived their usefulness. It's no longer reasonable to keep putting money into those cars. They're not structurally sound.
The TA plans to spend $1.9 billion to purchase the new cars, the first since the R62 model started running on the 1, 3, 4, and 6 lines in the 1980s. To test out designs for the next generation, the Transit Authority started running an experimental 10-car train on the number 2 line a couple of years ago. But critics charged it had too few seats and not enough places to hold on to. Complaints the Transit Authority says are addressed by the new design.
The customers told us they want more seats in the trains from what the test trains are, and we're going to put more seats back. There probably will be somewhat fewer seats so that we can accommodate a somewhat wider door and our little niche area next to the door. This, we think, will enable the cars to discharge people much more quickly and to load people more quickly. That should result in better service.
That niche is the space between the doors and the seats where people can stand. Rider advocates checked out the new design and had mixed reactions.
The transit authorities made some progress here. They've returned to about the same number of seats that they have in the cars that are in revenue service right now. The poles that people would hold on to, they're still too high for short folks, and they need to make sure that people who are 5'4" and under have something to hold on to if they don't get a seat.
The Transit Authority says the new cars will also have electronic interior and exterior displays, passenger alarms, and intercoms. Whether or not the Transit Authority decides to put overhead handrails like this in subway cars, or windscreens like this to protect passengers, or even that corkscrew handrail, riders won't see the final designs until sometime next year, and the trains, whichever design they choose, won't be on the road until sometime in 1999. Wider doors and more seats sound great, but one transit watcher offered this assessment.
The big picture is every train that they design will feel crowded if there's not enough service put on the road.
In Manhattan, Paul Fleuranges, New York 1.